Namaste friends, my name is Ritesh and today our topic is Heron Pose, that's also known as Krounchasana. Friends, it's an intermediate level seated forward bend and it's a great hip opener also. So before we get into the practice, it's very important to have a little bit of idea about the contraindications or a caution. So people, especially women in menstruation, should avoid this pose. If you have a serious knee or ankle problems, just be careful, okay? And especially with the knee issues, if you are doing it in Virasana, instead of Virasana, you can do it in a Baddha Konasana, that is a bound angle pose. Friends, before you start with this practice, you need to stretch your hamstrings a little bit. So, an extended side angle pose or a seated forward bend, that is Uttanasana, or a cobbler's pose, easy pose, that is Sukhasana, or downward facing dog would be great before you start with this practice. So we start with Dandasana. So sitting straight and tall, activate the arches, check that you're not slouching back, keep it tall, the chin parallel, the face muscles relax, and don't forget to smile. Now from here, as you activate your arches, flex the left leg. So I take it down. Now friends, if those people who have knee issues, they can do the same posture by keeping the legs like this. That's also completely fine. In fact, I prefer to do in this manner because the pressure on the knee is less. Okay, so let's do the variation of sitting in a Virasana. So that is what I am sitting in Virasana. Now if you see, I'll take it the other side to get you an idea what it is. So from here, you can see that my buttocks are lifted up. Even if I go down, I can't. It's lifting it up. So to balance it, I use this block. Now this block, I place it here. Now my hip is balanced. It's not that the one hip is going down and the other hip is going up. So the hip is square. I activate my arches and that's the position. So friends, whenever you start, you see your hip is square. Now let us try with the other leg. So holding it that position, changing it. So I try the other side. Sit in Virasana, place it down, keep the legs straight, and I tall myself. So remember, the Tadasana alignment applies here. The rib cage is not popping out. It's in line with the pelvis. My shoulders are down. My chin is parallel. Now, you can bend the knee, hold with both arms, lift up, so slowly and steadily, holding it and maintaining that posture. And with this, don't try to take the back, rounding. Keep it straight, flat, tall, and shoulders are down. Lift the chest up. You can bend the knees, that's completely fine. Slowly and steadily, you can straighten it out. Activate it, shoulders are down, and breathe. Keep it tall, keep lengthening. Inhale, lengthen the spine. And inhaling, exhaling, take it down slowly. Stretch your legs out and just shake a little bit, just to release that stretch. Friends, that was your Heron Pose or Krounchasana. So I have done it on the right hand side. You don't forget to do it on the left hand side. Now friends, this pose stretches the hamstrings. So it's an intense stretch on the hamstrings, so please be careful when you do it. At the same time, it is great for digestion or flat feet also, because when you're holding the feet, you're actually stretching the sole of your feet. So it's great for flat feet, and also it stimulates your abdominals organ and especially the heart, friends, because it's a great heart opener. If you see you're holding the feet, you're opening the chest. So basically great for weaken hearts. So wonderful for people with cardiovascular diseases. Friends, I'm Ritesh here. In case you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe. And yes, if you have any comments or suggestions, please mention in the comment section below. Namaste.